This is the WGP Mini UPS. Let's see how to set up the WGP Mini UPS. Place your UPS next to the ONU and router. Now take a DC power splitter cable. Now check the voltage of your router and ONU power adapter from their labels. Both my ONU and router support 9.0 volts input power. The UPS has 5 volts, 9 volts, and 12 volts outputs. Connect the 9 volts output of the UPS to your ONU and router. The output voltage must match your device's required voltage. Now connect your UPS to power. Now turn on the UPS. Double press the power button of the UPS and the UPS will turn on. Now the ONU and router are connected to the UPS. This is how you can set up the WGP Mini UPS.